Today we are starting a new chapter, that is solution of triangle. Solution of triangle. Okay, so first we are discussing some basic about triangle. Okay, so triangle is this one. Vertex will denote by capital letters, so capital A, capital B and capital C, and angles also will denote by denoted by capital A, capital B and capital C. And sides, opposite to A side is what? BC. This one will denote by small a. Opposite to B, AC side will denote by small b, and opposite to C side AB will denote by small c. So here we can say that BC equal to what? Small a. AC equal to what? Small b, and AB equal to what? Small c. In a triangle, we know sum of angle is what? 180. So we can say that A plus B plus C equal to what? Pi. Where pi is what? 180 degree. Okay, we are taking radian, but pi value is what? 180 degree. Second thing, semi perimeter. So S will be what? Semi perimeter. Semi perimeter. And what is semi perimeter? S equal to sum of sides. So here A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is semi perimeter. So from here what will come? 2S equal to what? A plus B plus C. Okay, that is your triangle. In this chapter, first topic is what? Sine rule. First is sine rule. What is sine rule? We have a triangle. This triangle is what? A, B, C. So opposite side is what? Small a, this one is a small b, and this one is C. Okay, so if I draw from A perpendicular to BC, so what will come? This one. So this is what? D point, and this is what? 90 degree. Okay, so this is what? A, and this angle is what? B. Now in this triangle, C is what? This one, and this angle is what? B, and AD is this one. So from here we can say that AD equal to C sine B. C sine B. Okay, similarly if you take this triangle ADC, this is what? B, and this angle is what? C. So AD equal to, we can say what? B sine C. B sine C. So from here what will come? If we take sine B here and sine C here, so we'll get what? C sine C and B divided by sine B. This will come. Similarly, if you draw perpendicular here, this is what? E. Now if you take triangle ABE, so here we can say that this angle is A, then BE will be what? BE will be what? C sine A. C sine A. Okay, and if you take triangle BEC, this length is what? A, this angle is C, then B will be what? A sine C. A sine C. Okay, so here sine A we are taking here and sine C we are taking here, so what will come? C by sine C equal to A by sine A. Okay, now this is what? Equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, C by sine C is what? B by sine B, and C by sine is what? A by sine A. So from here we can say that C by sine C equal to B by sine B equal to A by sine A. This is called sine rule, and this is equal to some constant. This constant we will find out. What is this constant? Okay, so we are taking circumcircle. Okay, circumcircle of triangle ABC. So that means ABC will be inside this triangle. So this is what? ABC. A, B and C. This is what? Center. And this is what? Radius. This is radius. Okay, so we are joining this one also. Okay, now we from center we are drawing perpendicular to line BC. BC is what? Chord. So this length is what? Total length is what? E. Then BD. This length is what? A by 2. Because from center, if you draw any perpendicular to any chord, this will divide chord in the ratio 1:1. That means D will be what? Midpoint. So total length is A, then BD will be what? Half of BC. So what will come? A by 2. This angle will be what? this angle will be what? A. Because this angle is A, so this total angle is what? 2A, and this will divide half, so this will be A. Now if you take triangle OBD, this is what R and this is what A by 2. So from here if you find out sine A is what? A by 2 divided by R. A by 2 divided by R. So from here what will come? Sine A equal to A by 2R. Okay, so sine A we are taking here and 2R we are taking here. So 2R equal to what? A by sine A will come. Okay, so A by sine A is what? 2R. So A by sine A we can have what? 2R. That means K value is nothing but what? 2R. Where R is circumcircle radius.